Hello students, after learning about the arithmetic operators, we are going to study the next type of binary operators, which are relational operators. Relational operators are mostly used to compare two expressions. Relational operators are used to check conditions or comparison of operands. Result of relational operators is a Boolean value, that is true or false. So relational operators are basically used for comparison, and whenever we are comparing expressions, we are going to return the value either as true or as false. Let us take the value of A as 50 and B as 10. So we have 6 different relational operators. The first one is greater than. It is indicated by an angle bracket. Example, A greater than B, that is 50 greater than 10. The result is true. Next one, less than, indicated by opening angle bracket. So, example, A less than B, that is 50 less than 10. The result is false. Next one, greater than and equal to, indicated by the operator closing angle bracket and equal to symbol. Example, A greater than equal to B, that is 50 greater than equal to 10. The result is true. Next, less than equal to. It is indicated by opening angle bracket and an equal to sign. Example, A less than equal to B, that is 50 less than equal to 10, which it turns out to be false. The next operator is equal. It is indicated by two equal to symbols. Example, A equal B, 50 equal 10. The result is false. The last operator is not equal. It is denoted by an exclamation mark and an equal to sign. Example, A not equal to B, that is 50 not equal to 10. The result is true. So these are the different relational operators. We are going to see example of relational operators later when we are going to study if statement. The next type of operators that we have to understand are logical operators. Logical operators are also binary operators. That means they operate on two operands. Logical operators are used to verify more than one condition at a time. So if we have more than one condition to test at a single time, then logical operators can help us to join them. For example, if we have to check if a number is divisible by 4 as well as it is divisible by 10. In that case, these two conditions can be joined using logical operators. We have 3 different logical operators. Let us see what will be the result of logical operators with different true and false values. Here we have A as first expression and B as second expression. When the first expression is true and the second expression is true, the result will be true. Next time, when the first expression is true and the second one is false, the final result will be false. Third case, when the first expression is false, the second expression is true, then the final result will be false. In the last case, when the first one is false, also the second expression is false, the final result will also be false. So this is for and. This means if both the conditions are true, result is true. Otherwise, it is false. Next, let us observe what happens with logical OR. Students, when we are using logical OR, if both the expressions are true, then the result is true. Next time, if the first condition is true, the second is false, then also the result is true. Third case, if the first expression is false, but the second expression is true, then the result is true. And in the last case, if both the expressions are false, then the result is false. This means if either of the condition is true, then the result is true. So this is how OR works. Now, lastly, let us understand how the negation operations work. The NOT operator or the negation operator is unary operator. This means it will work on only one operand. If the result of expression is true, it is going to convert it to false. If the result of expression is false, it is going to invert it to true. So this is how different logical operators work. The first one is AND. It is indicated by 2 ampersand sign. AND operator evaluates to true when all the operands evaluate to true. This means if all the conditions are true, then the result is true. If either of the condition is false, the result will be false. Let us see this in an example. Where age equal to 25, where salary equal to 35,000. If age is greater than 55 and salary is greater than 25,000. Here we have two conditions, age greater than 55 and salary greater than 55. So first condition, 25 greater than 55. This condition results as false. The second condition is true. Even though the second condition is true, but the first condition is false, that is why the result becomes false. Next operator. Next operator is OR. It is indicated by 2 vertical lines. These are known as pipe symbols. OR evaluates to true when any one of the operand evaluates to true. This means even if one condition is true, the result is true. For example, same variables, age and salary with same values. Age greater than 55 or salary greater than 25. Here, the first condition, 25 greater than 55 is false. But the second condition, that is salary 35,000 is greater than 25,000 is true. That is why the final result is true because one condition is true. The last operator is NOT. It is indicated by an exclamation mark. NOT inverts the Boolean expression. This means if the result is true, it will be inverted to false. Vice versa, if the result is false, it will be inverted to true. So let us see the example where z equal to 8. Z is a variable having value 8. If not z equal 8. Observe over here, z equal 8 will return true. When we use not, the true is converted to false and thus the final result is false. So these are how the logical operators work. We are going to learn logical operators with the help of examples later.